Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco Air 2 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily call assistant. At first we have to open our application and go to earbud controls. Here we have to hit triple tap left earbud or right earbud and map voice assistant like I have now here. The next step is just triple tapping our left earbud. It does not always work, but let's check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.